Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nitmanas. So friends, in the previous video we set up the dynamic view. So in this video just creating the home banner and try to complete that home banner part. So if you like our video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And if you want to support us or help us by anything, you can also check out this link, and another link is also provided in the description box. You can also go and check out that link as well. So yes, this one. So in the previous video just set up that home table dynamic view part. So we'll open the code. Firstly I'll just remove all the things. Control w. Okay, so in this video just try to complete that home banner part. So now we need php artisan make model home banner, and we need a migration database migration, and yes, this is here. So in home banner we just need a one to two things. That one, first one is table string, sorry, table string. And what is the name of a column? The first one should be text nullable. Make sure to make all the things nullable as it doesn't show any error. After that text, image, and link. Because whenever user clicks on that link, so we should redirect the user to that link, that particular link basically. Save it, php artisan migrate. Okay, so now moving to the controller, admin, home banner, this one. So where we have our view file, resources, views, admin, and inside home banner dot plate.php. So $data is equal to home banner. Make sure we should import the app models home banner. So I'll click on this. Okay, now this is another part. So when we have the same namespace in our same file, like we have home banner controller name and same as a model, so it write up as part with model home banner, right? So it will be fine in both in cases. So get banner return view admin slash home banner slash home banner. And also we should send this data as well, $data, right? Okay, now in the home banner data, import this. Firstly id text link. You can also write image if you want. Then we need a underscore add, and another one is updated underscore add, right? So I remove this. We'll run a for each in outside that tr, basically table row, for each $data as $list. at that for each total data as total list for which. Now inside this td we just write the name of our columns. Total list, first one is id, then text, then link, image, created, updated. So id, text, link, image, then created, updated. Okay, so whatever we have at the top we also copy that part into the bottom. Paste it. Firstly check it is working. Home banner. Okay, now error, undefined variable dollar data. Okay, underscore defined underscore where. Basically what this error shows that undefined variable data. If I'll show you how to solve this error. Basically if you have array inside a data, for example, I just remove this firstly. So if I write like this, result, and make data inside this and this one, so now this will not show the error basically. So why this happens, if I show you, okay, print underscore r and die dollar result. Now it is actually empty. I will add the data manually to show you the difference. I'm going to the insert, text, test, go. Okay, now we'll see spot the difference. Let me add a pre. Okay, so now if we have I actually print the data variable. So data, it is an array. If you see it, the dollar data is array. Inside array we have that object part. So if you like debug the part, so inside data array there is object, this one. See, this is array and this is object, right? But when I call the data part, like this, when I call dollar data and data, right? So I will show the difference. So now this is basically not an array, so it directly call that object part, right? But we need actually an array. Inside the array there should be objects of different rows, right? So if I call this get underscore define underscore wheres, I will show you that as well. So why I use actually get underscore define underscore where, because it actually creates convert this data into all the objects into array. So if I again refresh this, so you can spot the difference. So this is what we are expecting to be present in the view files. So I usually use this get underscore define underscore where in most of the view files, get underscore define underscore varies, right? Comment, oh sorry, comment this, okay, dollar data, just save this, and if we check, yes, we have that link test image. Now created data updated is basically, if we don't need created and updated, we actually show their buttons of updated and delete. So in the next video we'll set up a form part. Why we need a form? We will actually do the CRUD operation in the single page. Like here we will show the add new home banner, and after that in the action part we'll set up the updated and delete part. So if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel, and if you help us and support us, you can go and check out that link in the description box. Thank you.